Welcome to NIU's Transfer Credit website. There's two main tabs at the top: Course Equivalencies, where you can search how an individual course transfers over to NIU, and Major Guides, where you can see a list of courses we recommend taking prior to transfer for a specific major. Over on the Course Equivalencies tab, you can enter your current school. Let's say you go to Rock Valley College, and then you can enter any course code that they have and see how it transfers to NIU. Let's check out their CHM 120. You want to put a space between the letters and the numbers. And you can see that Rock Valley's CHM 120 transfers to NIU as our Chem 210 and our Chem 212. Occasionally, you might see that situation where one course equals 2 at NIU. This is because in the case of chemistry, NIU has different course numbers for the lecture and lab, which are combined at Rock Valley. So the one course there equals 2 courses at NIU. You also have some other helpful information like the NIU course title, how many credits the class is, the general education knowledge domain. In this case, the chemistry class falls into the nature and technology domain. If a course does not count as a general education requirement, you won't see anything listed here. You also have the IAI code and whether or not the course fulfills NIU's human diversity requirement. You can also search in any of these fields. So if you have the opposite inquiry and you know the NIU course number, but want to know what that is at Rock Valley, you can enter the NIU course here. Let's say we want to know about NIU's Psych 102. We can see that at Rock Valley, it's going to be PSY 170. If you want to save a course at any time, you can hit Add to Bundle, and then you can see that course later by going to My Bundle. If a course doesn't transfer to NIU, it'll show up as 0 credits. And if you can't find a course, it might not be in our system at this time. Feel free to email us at transfercenter@niu.edu with any questions. Over on the Major Guides tab, you can select your current school. This time, let's say you go to Joliet Junior College, and then you can select your intended major at NIU. Let's say you want to major in communicative disorders. The first thing you'll get is some helpful information about admission requirements for the major, followed by a list of courses we recommend you take prior to transfer. These are the courses we recommend you take during your freshman and sophomore year if you plan to transfer to NIU around your junior year. However, if you transfer before then, let's say after your freshman year, you might not have all of these done, and that's okay. You can finish them at NIU after transfer. The list is going to show you NIU course numbers, but down below, you can see our course equivalencies chart once again, which is going to show you what those courses above are at Joliet Junior College. The chart is meant to be used in conjunction with the list above, because the chart is going to show you every class on that list and how it transfers. But you don't necessarily need to take every single one of these classes. For example, above, it tells you that you need either BIOS 109 or BIOS 357. Both are shown down below, but you just need one or the other. If something says course not found, it may mean there's no equivalent course offered at your school. You might have to wait to take the class at NIU, or there might be an alternative option. You can reach out to your advisor or email us with any questions. Let's look at another example. This time, let's say you go to William Rainey Harper College and you want to transfer to NIU for nursing. At the top, you'll get information about admission requirements to the nursing program, followed by a list of prerequisites. You can see that the first prerequisite is to take BIOS 103 and BIOS 105, the lab that goes with the lecture class. And if you scroll down, you can see at Harper, their Bio 101 equals our BIOS 103. So you might think that you need to take this class. However, if you look down a row, you can see that Harper's Bio 110 gives you credit for both our 103 and 105. So that's actually the course you need. These guides are meant to be used in conjunction with academic advising. So don't forget to make those academic advising appointments to ensure you're on the right track for a successful transfer to NIU. And again, you can email us with any questions at transfercenter@niu.edu.